Both? No?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Waterfall.
We're gonna go to the Nasty Creek Waterfall. But,
don't mind us, we're normally this sweating.
it's gonna be a blast. It's nice and wet out. Pleasantly moist. Super rainy. I love it. It's phenomenal. I gotta stop recording. Why not? All right. Walking down to the Nasty Creek Waterfall. I don't really think it has a name, but I don't know. Yeah.
I think the last time I was here was like 2014.
Dude. Actually, I'm probably not far off from that because I don't know if I came up here before I got.
Because usually, definitely not.
And the trail's gone. Cool.
So sad.
So sad. Oh, but we're above it, so I think we need to go straight and then over, and then don't fall off the cliff.
Yeah.
That's all.
Good plan. Good plan.
Okay. See, we usually come in up above and then walk across, but there's a trail right there, or we could go right here. I don't know. Go up above and then make our way down. Of course, I'm not walking across that wet log today.
No, fuck that.
Freaking fall in. That'd be real fun. Okay. I think we're just gonna jump ship and go to the lower trail.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I like that.
Great idea. Let's go. Yeah, all those videos that Zach posted, man, all on mom and dad's old camcorder.
Oh.
It's like, whoa. Whoa is right. This is slickery.
Yeah.
Shit, I left my pistol in the truck. What good is it? Oh, that's...
I don't think I've ever seen it going that way.
Oh, it's green as hell, and it's just
Really?
awesome.
Gorgeous.
This is sweet. Gorgeous, I tell you. Yeah. Oh, these are going to be great hunting this year. By the way, you going to hunt this year?
I hope so.
Let's kill something.
I want to.
Oh,
Saw that.
rock. I
I need
just
to
didn't see it all the way.
Savage, though. Oh my God.
I agree. Me too, because I've got a new 7mm I got to try.
Yeah. Obliterated here with
Oh,
that
man.
stuff.
Man, it's so green up here. This is great. This trail is so much more evolved than it used to be.
A lot more trails.
Oh, way more. This is dope.
Secrets.
No one knows how to get here. Oh, this is sweet.
We'll see. Okay, so I'm in third quarter this year.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes.
Shit.
Everything's been online for the most part.
Nice, nice.
They didn't even get to go to clinical, so
Well,
maybe more likely.
it's a little thicker than last time we were here. Maybe we should just go down to the cave.
Yeah.
Sounds good, mate.
Oh man. A lot more dead down. There's more elves around here.
Oh gosh, you know a thing or two when you say, yeah, this place needs a fire.
What?
It needs a fire. It needs a good ground fire.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Clean it up. All right, back in a few. Is to not fall on our ass, because that looks like a mudslide and a half. Professor Hike would be astounded that we called it a mudslide. It's a mud flow.
Mud flow, damn it.
All right.
You made of ice. Oh God. This is fun.
Yeah. But it's gonna be pretty down there. That's dope. Actually. Okay.
Oh God.
Yeah.
I have not done these in the solos. I've only done these in whites.
Yeah.
Might be part of the problem.
Okay. No, we good. It's actually, I'm locking up pretty good. Whoop. Right when every time you say it. It's slicker and steeper than it looks.
Oh, dude.
I just want to make sure I get you falling on your ass if it happens. That's all.
No. Got it. No.
Oh my god. Oh.
Now I can fall on my ass.
Oh, wow. This is excellent. This is, yeah. Woo! It's a little soft.
It's a little moist.
Wow. Hello.
Oh. How is Zach doing? You don't mind me asking?
Yeah. Okay, this is cool. Oh, I didn't get it.
That was kind of, oh, that's cool. That's
Almost had a brown ass. And not because of anything else.
bad. That was like the weirdest ball ever, too.
Ugh, shit.
Hey, go for your rock. Oh, there's still ice.
Oh, wow. Yeah, but this is dope. I've been here so many times and it's always awesome. Whew.
It never disappoints.
Oh, it's just gorgeous. Ooh. Sticker bushes. Get under the drip. Yeah, they're, wow. I'm getting dripped on like crazy.
Oh,
A little wet.
getting a little down.
Just, so dope.
Gorgeous.
Oh, I'm so gonna get my phone wet. Oh yeah,
Wow.
that's sick.
That log moved.
Oh look, I see a tire. How did a tire get here? Must, I don't know. It's kind of weird.
There's a pair.
Behind that tree. Okay, now,
Oh, sound good.
yeah, get across this without getting, oh, that's slick as fuck.
Maybe underneath.
Maybe. I think I'm going above.
Oh, there you go.
Oh. Here, hold that.
What, you can't do all three at once?
Normally. Oh, it's recording.
Ah, shit.
Shut up.
Oh, God. Ew. Ow.
Good times.
Oh, yeah.
Awkward.
Oh,
Just don't fall.
don't see that. Don't do.
Break a leg.
Don't do that shit either.
Just grab the log and leap of faith. So graceful.
So good. Watch me digging into my wrist.
Oh yeah. So worth the trip. Actually,
That tire's been there.
I think it's been there a while.
I was like an old tire.
Yeah. That's awesome.